Hello, boy.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very beautiful.
But no, thank you. I'm not hungry. I already eat.
I do not say it, and I say maybe later, maybe next time, maybe tomorrow.
Later.
Not
You're
problem.
so nice. Thank you.
You remember this place not expensive.
Okay.
Very big portion for big boys.
A big portion, yeah?
Because 40, 50, 60 grams.
Okay.
Understand?
All right.
For
yes.
you?
You can make big portions.
Да.
Da. Okay.
Understand.
Дякую.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, it is a kind of cloudy but not cold morning here in Ukraine, Kyiv, Ukraine. And I thought I'd start today off by talking about or saying a thank you and an announcement. As you guys know, I have written 2 books. A lot of people don't know because I still respond to emails and send links to people asking me about it. But I want to say a big thank you to you guys who have been getting the book. And if you don't know what books I'm talking about, I've written 2 books. They're always linked in the descriptions of the videos. And I just wanted to make that announcement. And at the same time, thank you guys so much who have supported me by doing it. And a lot of you have sent me emails saying you enjoyed the books. I want to say a special thank you to you in the vlog. And kind of on that note, you guys can check out by the opera. And as I said, it is a kind of, I'm not sure, it looks like it is going to rain pretty bad today, so maybe more of an inside day, heading to one of my favorite places now just to get a little bit of work done, and at the same time hoping it doesn't rain when I'm finished working. Maybe this is a bad plan. Oh, and totally forgot to mention, have I told you guys that I might be completely in love with this city? Told you guys that Ukraine, or at least in Kyiv where I am, is like coffee lovers paradise. So this is just a park that I'm cutting through where there's about 3 cafes in the park. There's a cafe place here, there's one over there, and just as I make my way to the coffee shop, hello. Banana? Дякую, bye bye. Have to make a little stop at the little street markets. Always feel like I gotta support them, you know. They're kind of not in the grocery store, they're not in the main marketplace, they're literally on the street, and there's a lot of them everywhere. So maybe that's a new morning ritual. You know, and it's funny because normally this place is packed, but this is probably one of my favorite cafes here. I'm not here all the time, but I do try to at least come every now and then because the atmosphere is so nice. And it was the first place that I discovered when I came here. Very productive morning, and you know, I was getting some work done, and then there's always like a 10, 15, 20 minute time period where everything has to upload, color grade, do all this kind of stuff, and I have downtime. And usually I use that time to respond to comments, respond to emails, but I use it to just catch up a little bit on my reading. And one thing I was reading today, which kind of just changed my mindset, it makes me realize that so many times it's not the people around us that are changing, and it's not the environment necessarily that's changing. I know there's always an exception to the rule, but most of the time it's us that's changing. You know, I've just been reading a whole bunch of stuff on how to meet people and how to talk to people and how to engage with people. Sorry, I'm walking up this huge hill. And you know, one thing that I found out was that, you know, after reading this and learning all this stuff, that now I'm like, wow, the people here are actually really nice. These people here are being really open. But they've been like that all along. I just didn't see that way. So it kind of goes to show you that it's kind of what you know up here that affects, you don't see, well, easier way to say it, you see things, you don't see things as they are, you see things as you are. Yeah. That's what I was trying to say in summary. But huge hill, very hot. Need to change the bag, and we're gonna spin. Actually going to attempt something. It's really too hot to be out here walking around in this weather, but I'm going to attempt to walk around a little bit more, because I don't know if I remember to tell you guys, maybe today is the last day here. And yeah, actually, I'm kind of thinking, and I realize there's probably a lot of you guys who are like, Luke, you only came there for a little bit of time, what's going on? I literally had to be somewhere else, but this was just, I was able to work it out so that instead of going directly to where I had to go to do what I had to do, I could postpone it 3 extra days maximum, which would allow me to come back here, if that kind of makes sense to you guys. That's why I'm here, but I do love the city. I don't want people to think that, oh, he loves the city, but if it's true, why is he leaving? Yeah, but since I've been here, I felt like I've had so much I wanted to do and wanted to see. I mean, I'll be back here. I definitely will always try to come back here, but I really wanted this time to maybe just relax a little bit more. I've actually been in the hostel just kind of chilling, meeting a lot of people, spent a lot of the day talking and meeting with people in the hostel, which kind of leads me to right now, which is a little bit later in the evening, kind of just walking around. This is a beautiful city, isn't it? No particular destination in mind, just kind of walking around. That's kind of like my thing to do. I mean, I can talk because I can talk a lot, but I really just kind of love just walking around, enjoying wherever I happen to be. Places. Funny when you're a kid, it's looked at as a bad thing, but as you grow up, especially when you're traveling, it's actually like a good thing, and you can learn more from it than you can by knowing where you are actually. You know, the crazy thing is, like, Kyiv, this place like really is beautiful. I mean, there's kids screaming everywhere, but this place is I really like this place. Like, there's a couple places that will never be able to be replaced as places that I love, but this is definitely a place that is on my list of definitely top places that I've been to. Oldest tree in Kyiv.
One of the oldest ones. You see the wheel?
Yeah.
It's Central Concertova Square.
Okay, so the tour guide, you know who you are. Thank you so much. Pleasure to meet you. Kind of all the things you guys just saw, I didn't even know about. I was kind of shown it by someone who is actually from here and lives here, but I was told that there's like a church. Apparently this church up ahead, like they left and they were like, just go straight and you'll see it. And I see it, but I'm not sure if that's it, because apparently the church is like on the water, or it's on an island on the water. Can you guys even hear me because of the wind? But I gotta find a way to cross the street and hopefully. Wow. Wow, you guys can see how amazing that is. And Kyiv, it just keeps surprising me, not only by meeting people, which is a lot of ways where I'm surprised by places, but just the simple fact of just the beauty of this place, you know what I mean? And just the beauty of this place. And kind of on that note, maybe this is a good place to end the vlog, telling you guys definitely come visit the city. If there's a city to visit that you guys have seen me travel to this summer so far, I hope you guys can hear me because of the wind. This is definitely one of those places. Sorry for the wind. Thank you guys for joining me today, and I'll talk to all of you guys later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave. And this is like an emergency recording, just in case the wind was blowing too much in the last one. Wanted to end it proper. Thanking you guys so much for watching. Kyiv is an amazing city, like 100%. I love this city. Like, I cannot wait to come back to here. As I told you guys, it's my last day today, but it's like I keep discovering new places, new people, and it's huge. Not even new places, but new sides of the city where you can kind of have everything. And I wish that I had brought my bigger camera here to show you guys just a little bit better, a better view of this whole by the riverside, which I didn't even know you could walk down to. It'd be so easy. But like I say, still discovering new things. Can't wait to be back here. Definitely come to this place. I'm so shocked because of what everyone said about this place, and coming here and seeing for myself is just, it's like, why didn't I come here sooner, you know? But luckily you guys know that now. You guys can come out here, and I want to thank you guys again so much for your comments, questions, emails, Instagram messages, every other way you guys would contact me. I appreciate you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all later. And everyone always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile.